Hey everybody, I'm Charley Belcher coming to you from St. Petersburg today, from the Warehouse Arts District, from Fairgrounds St. Pete. It's okay if you've never heard of it. It's new, but you will. You will hear more about this. This is here to stay, and it's really interesting and to get people talking. It's an immersive art experience that you literally wander through. It's like wandering through a big painting or sculpture. Pretty incredible. Joining us to tell us more about this, on the left of your screen is Tyson Johnson, our managing director here, and on the right, Liz Dimmitt, the CEO and co-founder of Fairgrounds St. Pete. So Liz, you do this very well. What is Fairgrounds St. Pete? How do you describe it?
It's a 15,000 square foot immersive art installation, which is really an entire world created by artists, and we invite you to escape reality and come check it out and choose your own adventure as you tour around the space.
How did this come to be?
Well, I've been lucky over the past couple years to get to work with Jeff and Penny Vinnick on their immersive art projects, and knew I wanted to do something more permanent, and have partnered with them to create this space that will be here, forever.
Tyson, the name Fairgrounds St. Pete, that fairgrounds has many different meanings and all are important.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's, of course, going back to the old fairgrounds, the usual meaning, it's a place where people gather and, form community, and it's really going to be about art and treating artists fairly as well. So we have, that's right. Yeah,
right.
Exactly. So.
And it celebrates art, period. However do you define that is kind of the fun of the place too, right?
Mm-hmm. Celebrates art, celebrates Florida. It really is, as you said so well, a love letter to Florida.
And it will continue to evolve and change. You might have exhibits come in or and out, but this will be here permanently. This is not a temporary thing.
That's
Absolutely.
Right. Yeah, we had a really successful first call to artists, over 60 artists that we've commissioned to do works all over the place, and that will continue to happen year after year. So we'll be working with new artists, and the space will continue to evolve.
Who is this for?
It is for everyone. I think people of all ages, from toddlers, children, teenagers, grandparents, parents, Gen X, Gen Z, whoever you are, there is something for you here. Whether you want to come and take selfies or you really want to explore the mystery, you can come back and back and back, and I don't think ever see it all.
There is a theme or a storyline. There's almost a scavenger hunt feel to it. There's some clues, almost like an escape room feel to things.
Yeah.
Or you could just wander through like it's a museum or an art gallery, right? I mean, it works on many different levels.
Yeah, you can engage with Fairgrounds St. Pete as much as you want to and dive as deep as you want to into it.
When are you going to be open? Thursdays through Sundays, right? Once you open the doors?
Thursdays through Mondays.
Oh, good. Thursdays through Mondays.
Yes.
Once you open the doors, which is September 2nd. Congratulations. I know you're eager to get the
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Charlie.
There you go, folks. Fairgrounds St. Pete. They open September 2nd, which is a Thursday, and then Thursday through Monday, you can come explore. You get tickets at fairgrounds.art, fairgrounds.art, not .com or .org, fairgrounds.art. We'll, of course, put that website at fox13news.com to make it easy for you, because you're going to want to come out here and check it out for yourself. Charley Belcher, Fox 13 News.